Neuroengineering is an interdisciplinary field focused on developing devices capable of interacting directly with the nervous system to restore sensory and motor functions altered by traumatic injuries or degenerative processes. In this context, biomaterials play a strategic role by enabling the stable integration of electronic components and neural tissue. Among the most relevant approaches are electroactive materials, defined as those that respond to electrical or magnetic stimuli, and include electrets, conductive, piezoelectric, and photovoltaic materials. Within this category, conjugated polymers stand out for their electrical conductivity due to the presence of alternating single and double bonds that facilitate electron delocalization. However, the application of biomaterials in neuroengineering requires understanding the specific biological response of the central nervous system to a foreign body, characterized by microglial activation, cell recruitment, and glial scar formation, a phenomenon that can compromise the implant's functionality. Therefore, one of the current strategies focuses on developing biomaterials that are mechanically compatible with neural tissue, prioritizing soft materials with elastic modulus, similar to that of the brain, to minimize tissue damage without compromising functionality. Overall, neuroengineering is advancing toward more flexible, bio-integrated, and adaptive devices, where the convergence of materials science and neurobiological knowledge is crucial for developing next-generation neural interfaces.